two upgrades to both my lathe and my milling machine. The first of which is adding a digital tachometer. This was a pretty easy install. A small magnet is attached to the arbor of the lathe, just glued down with super glue. And the pickup, which is magnetic, is mounted on a little piece of bent aluminum, and it works great. The tachometer runs off of 120 volts AC, so you simply just plug it in. No batteries needed or nothing like that. And it works great. Turn on the lathe and show you how it works. As you can see, it takes it a couple of seconds to figure out what the RPMs are. But once it does, it's really quite stable. The second addition is to go with segmented drive belts. I'm here to tell you that if you want to cut down on vibration on any of your machine tools, going with segmented drive belts is one of the ways to do it. The addition of a variable frequency drive, three-phase motor, and these drive belts simply made these machines totally amazing. You wouldn't think it, being segmented, you'd think it would add vibration, but it doesn't. It kills the vibration somehow. This is on the Grizzly milling machine. Again, it's the same setup. In this case, I mounted the magnet on the bottom of the main pulley. And again, a pretty simple little piece of aluminum. I don't know if you can see it. Holds the sensor. This milling machine had two belts, and it had an idler wheel in the middle. I removed the idler wheel, and I'm simply using it as a tensioner. This is a pretty long belt, and it tends to flop around if it didn't have that tensioner. But talk about smooth. This machine is amazingly smooth now. So that's it. Tachometer that I bought on Amazon. I think they're about $20 or so. And then segmented drive belt that's purchased from Harbor Freight, but they're available on Amazon, eBay, and everywhere. Harbor Freight happens to have a good deal on these segmented belts. I use them on all the power tools. I even use them on a drill press. This is a 50-year-old Sprunger that I converted to DC drive for variable speed, but it's using a segmented belt, as you can see. And even my latest edition, which is another DC drive, Delta Shopmaster drill press. Unfortunately, you can't see the belt because it's underneath the housing, but that's a segmented drive belt also, and all these machines run incredibly smooth. Anyways, that's the story. Segmented drive belt and digital tachometer. Thanks for watching.